Are you ready for the latest revolution in action cameras? Every year, the anticipation builds up for GoPro's new release, and this time, the stakes are higher than ever. With DJI and Insta360 breathing down their neck, GoPro needs to pull out all the stops to stay ahead of the game. But what makes this year's release so crucial? To understand that, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The action camera market has been heating up, with each brand trying to outdo the others in terms of features, quality, and innovation. And GoPro, being the pioneer, has a reputation to uphold. So, what can we expect from the latest Hero 13? Will it be enough to maintain GoPro's dominance? Stick around till the end to find out, and as a bonus, you'll discover what sets the Hero 13 apart from its predecessors and competitors. The highly anticipated release of the GoPro Hero 13 is just around the corner, typically happening in mid-September, as GoPro faces intense competition from DJI and Insta360. The Hero 13 needs to impress to maintain its market share. Looking back at the Hero 12, it's an excellent camera with outstanding image quality and stabilization, but it didn't bring significant improvements over the Hero 11. This raises expectations for the Hero 13 to address these shortcomings. Before diving into the Hero 13's expected features, let's acknowledge the competition. DJI and Insta360 have been gaining ground with innovative features, improved image quality, and competitive pricing. So what can GoPro do to stay ahead? The answer lies in the Hero 13. Rumors suggest two models, the GoPro Hero 13 Black and the GoPro Hero 13 Black Pro or Silver, differing in sensor size. This move could be a game changer, allowing GoPro to tap into a wider market. The Hero 13 is expected to maintain a similar exterior design while introducing significant upgrades like a larger front screen with touch functionality, improved battery life, and charging speeds. The new GP3 processor could allow for higher bitrate recording, improved image quality, and enhanced features like slow motion capture. We can expect improvements in image stabilization, AI features, and low-light performance, particularly in the Pro model. The Hero 13 might also introduce a variable aperture, giving users more control over their shots. The 8:7 sensor format is likely to continue, offering a great balance between image quality and stabilization. Rumors suggest improved 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second and potential support for even higher resolutions. If GoPro delivers on these rumored features, the Hero 13 could be a game changer for content creators and action camera enthusiasts. However, it's not just about the specs, it's about what GoPro can deliver as a whole package. As we wait for the official release, GoPro has its work cut out for it. With DJI and Insta360 nipping at its heels, GoPro needs to deliver a camera that exceeds expectations. Based on the rumors, it's looking like the Hero 13 might just do that. Let us know what you're hoping to see from the GoPro Hero 13 in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to experience the future of action cameras. Thanks for watching.